Hey everyone, Meidan here. Welcome back to the channel. Not every watch build starts with gears and screws. Some start with a feeling. This one, it's about elegance, not in a flashy way, but in the way every element fits together with intention. I always start with the dial, not just because it's the face of the watch, but because it sets the tone for everything else. This one's a soft green or maybe blue with subtle texture that plays with light. Now let's install the dial, and the dial just clicks in place. Before we start installing the hands, we want the date wheel to flip. Perfect. For the hands, I went with simple silver, just enough shine to stand out, but never compete with the dial. Let's start with the hour hand, and I'm placing the hour hand at 12 o'clock. Let's align it with 12 o'clock. Looks good. Now I'm using the hand press tool to press down the hands. Make sure to use the right size. And I'm going to press the hand down and push it forward. And I'm making sure that the hand sits on its wheel from every angle. And everything looks really good. Let's move on to the minute hand. So I'm placing the minute hand on top of my hour hand, but on its own wheel, of course. Let's align it. Very important. And again, I will press it down gently and push it forward. Now let's see if the hands are touching base at 12 o'clock, and we also want the date wheel to flip. It didn't flip yet. Looks like we have a little deviation of like 10, 20, maybe 30 seconds, which is perfect. Now I'm using the Rodico for grabbing the seconds hand. The seconds hand is the hardest one to install because the pin is so tiny. I need to put it on the pin and press it down gently. Perfect. Now let's check for pulse, and looks like we have pulse. It is working. Perfect. Now I'm going to position all the hands one on top of the other, and I will make sure that we have gaps between each hand, and the gaps are identical throughout the entire length of each hand, and the gap looks very good. You can see that the hands are not touching each other, which is exactly what we want. Let's clean up the dial. The dial always catches dust, so I gotta clean it all the time. Now let's flip the movement and take the temporary stem out. This stem actually came with the movement, but we won't be able to use it, obviously. There you go. Stem is out. Let's flip the movement again. Now the case. Stainless steel, polished but not flashy. There's always something satisfying about peeling the stickers off. Kinda like unwrapping a gift, even if you're the one who built it. Let's open up the case. And let's take out the rubber gasket. Quick clean. Dust has no place in a build like this. or any other build actually. Always make sure that your work is clean, especially the inside of the case. And look at that, absolutely clean, no dust, no dirt, and that's how we like it. Clean up the dial again, and let's case the watch. Casing is always a moment. It's the point where it finally starts looking like a watch. Let's flip it. This is our stem, and as you know, we need to shorten the stem. So let's do that. We can get rid of that part, we don't need that anymore. And the edge is a little smushed, so let's smooth it out. I always smooth it out because otherwise I won't be able to get it into the crown. So much better. And we get it into the crown with no problems. Beautiful. Let's get the crown into the watch, and it clicks. Perfect. And as you can see, we have no gaps between our crown and the case. Let's clean up the back cover as well. Beautiful. No dust, no dirt. Don't take this part easy. Now let's lubricate the rubber gasket. This will help us keep the watch sealed for water and dust. And now I'm placing the rubber gasket back in its place, which is the back cover of the watch. Sometimes it's on the back cover, sometimes it's on the case. And let's close the watch. I'm gonna tighten it with a rubber ball. I'm using the rubber ball because I don't want to scratch the back cover. Wow, look at that watch. It's just beautiful, isn't it? Let me know what you think, and more importantly, who do you think this one was made for? That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next build.